Mingalaba, and welcome to this how to set up a course using TutorLMS video by CRM eLearning Essentials. And here we are. C, Shannon, that's me. You can call me David, I'm in the orange just here. Rofia, otherwise known as Z at the front with the colourful scarf. M equals Marsh in the middle, just here, otherwise known as Andrea. And the person in the back is Lucas, Z's husband. We've all lived and worked in Myanmar. I don't know if you can guess whereabouts we are when this photograph was taken. So let's jump in. How to create a course using TutorLMS. So first you need to go to your dashboard and to TutorLMS and click on Courses. And then you will click on Add New. Okay. Once TutorLMS is installed on your WordPress website, it will appear on your dashboard. Okay. Your dashboard, which runs down here in this ribbon, is your control panel. It has everything you need to design your WordPress site, including all the plugins that you have installed. Just think of plugins as the same as apps which you would install on your phone. So as well as the TutorLMS plugin, I've also installed Zoom, which I think is somewhere around here, and H5P, which we'll introduce you to later on. Okay, so go to TutorLMS, click on Courses. This window will appear. You can see I've already got a couple of courses, test courses here already. And then just click on Add New. First, you'll want to name your course. So here I'm calling it Social Science and the Humanities. Okay. You can ignore some of these things, Elementor, Data Updater, and Edit with Elementor, not to worry about those. Do have a look at all the various icons just here. They will be reminiscent of some of the things you're used to in MS Word, for example. So alignment, italics, bolding. You can change the font size just here where it says paragraph. Okay, you can underline. And there are various other things that you can look at. Okay, so familiarize yourself with this. Key tabs here are save your draft, preview your draft, and publish what you've created. So when you want to add a description, you can copy and paste straight from the course book. You may have to do some unformatting or reformatting. As I said, you can choose the font size where it says paragraph just here. I've just added the simply an introductory course for Myanmar learners just here using heading 3 font size. Okay. You can preview any changes that you've made just by clicking here. Okay. To see how it looks. If you want to, you can then save the draft. And if you're happy, you can click publish just here. You can also add media where it says here, you can click on add media. For example, maybe you want to take an image from the textbook. So maybe you want to capture a section of the PDF course book using the snipping tool, which is available as standard on most PCs. Just search for snipping tool down here and it should come up. So for example, maybe I want to snip the table of contents from the book because I want students to see straight away what they will be learning about. So everything I'm doing here is basically creating the front of my course, the first thing that students will see when they come to TutorLMS. Okay, so I'm going to get my snipping tool. I'm going to click New. I'm going to create a rectangle around here. I've actually included the page numbers here, but later I think I'll take those out because they're not much use in a digital document. Okay. Save that as a JPEG image from within the snipping tool. So there will be an option file and then save as. So you've got that saved onto your computer somewhere. And then in TutorLMS, where it says add media, upload the file. In this case, it's the table, one of the table of contents documents that I've already uploaded just here. Okay. Paste the image where you want it. Okay, so I'm just going to paste the table of contents underneath where it says an introductory course for Myanmar learners. Okay. And click update whenever you make any changes and you want to save them. Always remember to click update. You can of course view the course and see what it looks like. Maybe you don't want to update. If you want to include a featured image, this will appear at the front of your course along with everything else. So in the same way, you can upload an image. So maybe I want to capture a section of the PDF course book, again using the snipping tool. So I'll select the area that I want to snip. In this case, I've chosen graphic here, social science and the humanities. It looks quite nice and it's quite simple. I'll name that file and save it as a JPEG somewhere on my computer. I'll upload the file then to the course, just like I did previously. So I can just select the file and upload it. And then I can click Set Featured Images. You can see the image just here. It's appeared there. Set Featured Image. Again, you can preview, you can save your draft, and if you're happy, you can click Publish. Okay. So here's the Publish button just here, just so that you are aware it's always just there. The Save Draft, Preview, and Publish buttons are always there on the right-hand pane. And this is now what it looks like when I click on View Course. Okay. So I've got my featured image up here. I've got my description and the table of contents now without the page numbers. You can see as well that there's some information that I've already put in. So the course level, which I've made all levels, the duration of the course, which I've estimated at 60 hours. Okay. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So to add more information, scroll down to course settings. The great thing about TutorLMS is that as soon as you click add new, so add a new course, you can do everything you need to do from just one page. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to course settings. Here I can set the number of students that I would like to be able to enroll on the course. If I put 0 in, that means that the number is unlimited. Okay. I can up the difficulty level. At the moment, I've got it on all levels, but you could choose beginner, intermediate, or expert. Here is where I can set the course duration for the course. All of this will appear on the front of the course. Okay. I can also add, type in some benefits of the course and any requirements. I can specify the target audience or any materials that I'm going to provide. And you can also create a course intro video, or you can just choose to keep all of these blank. Okay, don't have to add anything there if you don't want to. When you're ready, remember to click Update. Okay, just here. And then view the course. Let's look. This is what we've got so far. Again, so we've got all levels, the duration. We've got our featured image, and we've got a description of the course. So far, so good. We will add a video, and we're going to use a tool called Screencast-O-Matic. We'll do that later. But this is where you can download it for free. And it's a great tool for easily creating audio or audio and video with your screen. Okay. And this is the final look after I've added the table of contents image once again. Okay, you've seen that. So we've got our course title and some description. Now we're going to add our first topic. So again, scroll down the page and under Course Builder, click on Add New Topic. I've created the first topic and I've copied and pasted some information from the book into the summary field. So here's the topic name, How to Use Social Sciences and the Humanities, and I put some information, copied and pasted some text into the topic summary, just here. The summary will be available for students to read when they click on the question mark icon on the front page. I'll show you that in a moment. When you're ready, you can click on Update Topic. And this is what it looks like now at the front. So I've got the topics for this course, How to Use Social Sciences and the Humanities, and this summary of what the course will consist of. But I can't get everything I want in the summary, so I'm going to create my first lesson. So just click on Lesson, just here, just above Add New Topic, you click on Lesson. When you click on Lesson, then this window will come up. This is where you can paste the contents of your lesson, where the blue at the moment is showing. So you can copy and paste text from the book or from any other source. You might want to paste it first into Microsoft Word and unformat it or make any formatting choices, and then you can paste that into the screen. Or you can paste a JPEG image as we've already seen, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to play around with the screen size on my PC and take a few snips from the book and save them as JPEGs, which I can insert into the lesson as images. Remember, that means that I can't change the text of these images. None of this text will then be changeable. So again, it's going to be new, I'm going to select the area, and then I'm going to save as a JPEG somewhere on my computer. And then I'm going to paste it in to the lesson window, just here, okay, which I've already done. Click on Update Lesson. And finally, always remember to update here on the right when you've finished, okay, just to save any changes that you have made, if you want to save them. Okay. Now when I view the page, you'll see a button which says Continue to Lesson. That's because I've now made my first lesson within the topics. Okay, so if I click on Continue to Lesson, this is what I've got so far. So I've got the topic, which is before each unit. I've got here how to use social sciences and the humanities. And this is basically what the student will see. It's a very clean look. At the moment, all I've got is some screenshots of from the book. So that's the first part of the social sciences and humanities textbook converted into an online form. In the next videos, we're going to show you how to add various quiz types to your lesson using TutorLMS, which comes built in with many quiz types, or using H5P, which has about 20 quiz types, or you can add a Google quiz as a link in the lesson page. We'll also be looking at how you can add Padlets. Padlet is a great tool that allows students to work together on a project in their own time. So thank you for this, and if you have any questions, please email us at this email address. Thank you.